Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss computer networking. In this video, you will know especially computer network and transmission medium. Students, two things you must have to know. If suppose you are not the part of the network, then it will be your standalone PC, and when you join the network, your PC will become as node. Okay. Nodes or stations are electronic devices such as computers, printers, fax machines, and telephone, which communicate with each other by sending and receiving data or message. Okay. Now, one simple communication system that comprises of following components. If I'm talking about a simple communication, it is of one way, then it will be, yes, your sender, receiver, message, and channel. Okay. If I'm talking about the sender, then the node that is responsible only for sending the data. When I'm talking about the receiver, the node that is only responsible for receiving the data. When I'm talking about the message is the information or meaningful data that is being communicated in a structured form. Okay. And next one is your channel. Channel is what? The communication medium through which the message is transmitted. Okay. Now you can see the computer network. See, I have the 3 PCs, and these 3 PCs want to enjoy the service of printer. Yes, it can be only by the help of network. Okay. Now students, the communication taking place in a computer network can be categorized as simplex mode, half duplex mode, and the next one is full duplex mode. Now, what is a simplex mode? Students, in simplex mode, information can be transferred only in one direction. Half duplex mode. Half duplex mode is bidirectional communication between the two nodes. Only one node at a time can transmit the data. The best example is your walkie-talkie. And if I am using simplex mode, the signal that you get it in your television for watching the channels, that comes under the simplex mode. Even the radio, that is the best example of simplex mode. Now, the next one is full duplex mode. Students, in full duplex mode, both, yes, communicating parties can send and receive, yes, data at the same time. Best example is your telephone. Okay. Now, computer networks can be used as means of resource sharing and communication. Yes, we are making a network for many purposes. Yes, so for sharing the data or sharing the hardware devices. So that part I'm going to discuss. First one is the resource sharing. Resource sharing means connecting computers through networking which will allow us to share hardware and software resources. Your examples of hardware resources like printer, scanner, okay. Even you can share the CPU and memory also. Here I talked about the hardware sharing. It can be your software resources also. Yes, that includes system and application software. Not only the application software, even the file that you have created, whether that file is your audio file, video file, text file, graphics file, that also you can share in a network. Now, the next one is the communication, connecting computers. Yes, through a network. Yes, facilitates exchange of information amongst the nodes in a network. Okay. Now, the next part, that is transmission medium. A transmission medium refers to the channel of transmission through which data can be transmitted from one node to another in the form of a signal. A transmission medium may belong to one of the following, yes, two categories: guided and unguided. See, here I have used the term guided medium. This term refers to physical conductors such as twisted pairs, coaxial cable, and fiber cable. Students, in the twisted pair and coaxial, the signal travels as a voltage and current signal, whereas in optic fiber, the signal is in the form of light, my dear. Now, next part, that is your unguided medium. The unguided medium uses electromagnetic waves that do not require a physical conductor. Your example of unguided medium, that is microwave, radio wave, infrared, and you can say, yeah, these all are your examples of unguided one. You can see the example which has been shown here. These all are the part of unguided. Here there is no means of wire, my dear, but here we get the connectivity by the help of wire. Okay, I hope you have understood this topic, my dear. Thank you.